car enthusiasts flocked to the SMX Mall of Asia over the 4 days of the 31st Transport Show, the country's longest-running auto show. The Transport Show again showcased beautifully restored classic and vintage cars, exotic automobiles, and supercars, as well as uniquely modified automobiles.
We'll have a showroom of cars from classic, restored cars, vintage cars, supercars, luxury cars, all of the above, because the Transport Show focuses more on classic, uniqueness of every car that you've never seen. So normally you will not see brand new cars that are on display here. So we all have all the restoration cars and vintage cars and supercars only.
The Transport Show also featured booths set up by distributors and retailers of the latest and trendiest automotive aftermarket products. This early, organizers of the Transport Show are already preparing for the Manila Auto Salon.
After the Transport Show, we will be having the Manila Auto Salon, which will happen on the first 3-4 days of December. This time it's going to be a different show because this will be more on aesthetics, more on SUVs, off-road. That's why it's the Manila Auto Salon. A very different idea and concept from the Transport Show.